Hey, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video, we're on our last day on our stone installation job that we're doing here. So I want to give you a walkthrough of where we are so far, what we have done so far, and what we have left on this job site here. So today's going to be our last day, like I said, so with no further ado, let's dive right into it. So we finished the entire front section here. I have right there to install a sill. Finish this one, work our way, go all the way up. Stucco is completed, stonework is completed here. We already finished our pier over here. Finish stonework over here. Go all the way up. Finish our stone column here as well. So we have to work around there. Over there I just have 2 more pieces of stone to lay up there. And then we'll finish with that section. Finish the entire section. Go all the way up here. Make our return around here. Go all the way up. Also finish over there. Go all the way up to the gable. So mainly we're just gonna focus in on this and down here right now. Okay guys, so with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before I jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. So as you see, we have a piece of angle iron down there. I have the boys cutting the stone that's gonna go right up to the top of the angle line there, but meanwhile I'm just gonna work from there until they finish cut their stone. We're gonna start to do the installation. So the way how I install my angle iron, I drill my angle iron with some metal bit and I anchor it into the concrete. One of the reasons why I did that, because I don't have enough ledge to sit my stone onto. Usually want to have between 3.5 to 4 inches of ledge to sit your stone onto. So I just put a piece of angle iron there just for extra support. I could get away by not putting the angle iron, but I said I have it there, why not put the angle iron for some extra support. As you see here, I lay 2 stone first, a medium, and then afterwards we maybe halfway we lay some smalls just to break it up a little bit. Now I'm just taking some measurement from the top, go right down to the bottom, just in case we need to put a cut. We're gonna cut it and put it down at the bottom. This way we can work from the bottom, come all the way up to the top. That way we can continue with our joint. As I go in the video, you will see the reason why I did that mark. So I'm installing my stone here. I have some brick ties that when the foundation guy was pouring the concrete, they leave it out, so that way we can bend them right over onto our stone, so that way we can get some support from them. As we go in the video, you will see a few of the brick ties as well. So as you go up, you want to work your stone so that your stone come right up to the brick ties. That way you can fold it right over. This is my first brick tie. As you see, I fold it right over onto my stone. Here I have another brick tie. Working to reach right up to the level where the angle iron is. Just trying to face the stone to get it nice and straight, so we can lay it right to the face of the garage door. In our previous video we go over why we face our stone. Here we're just trying to get it straight, that way it looks more better off in my opinion. So just straight it, go right across. taking some measurement, that way I can make my cutout. I did my cutout. Now we have it nice. Now we have it flush. Now we have it level to the height of where the angle line is. Just doing some joints now. This joint dry really fast, being as we have some coloring inside of it. Just install a jumbo stone. This jumbo stone that I'm laying, a small and a medium add up to be the same height as the jumbo stone. So once you reach up to the height of the jumbo stone, you have to break it. As I go in the video, you will see what I mean by. As you see here, I have a small and I put a medium right on top of the small, automatically right where the medium is beside the two medium join. Automatically it's asking for a small. So laying stone is pretty simple and straightforward, guys. If you put a medium on top of a small, then beside the small or the medium, it's gonna either ask you for a medium or a small to add up to the same size as the big, because like I said earlier, the big and the medium, the medium and the small add up to be the same size as the big. I have several videos uploaded already that going through the process. Like you see right here, I put a medium on top of that medium because I want to break the band because it's a bit too long. And you also want to flush, as you see here I'm showing you, you want to make sure that if you're using two stones beside each other, you make sure you bring it down to the level of the other one. That way when you go on top, it's going to be perfectly level with each other. There I have a medium. I put a small right beside the jumbo, so that way I can go right with the height of the jumbo, because we don't want to go no higher than that jumbo stone that we have right there beside the medium on the small. See, we have a jumbo stone beside the small. Right beside that one, you have to put a medium to finish it off, because remember, a medium and a small had up to be the same size as the jumbo, which is the big one. And once you reach up to the big one, you have to put a stone across it to break it. It's pretty simple. I know it might sound confusing, but trust me, if you keep watching the video till the end, I promise you will get a better understanding. So there I have a jumbo, and all I'm gonna do is just put a medium one right in there, and right on top of the medium I have to put a small piece close to where that jumbo is, so that way I can break the band, just like you see I'm doing right now. If I were to put a medium one right here, then I'll break the rule of laying stone. So you always have to put a stone, a medium and a small, to add up to be the same as a jumbo in order to break the band. The bed joint can't go no more than 4 feet, and the head joint not supposed to go no higher or no longer than the biggest size stone you have, which in my case is the jumbo size stone. Here I'm just installing some brick ties just to help to support the wall. The lower wall came with a whole bunch of brick ties, but the upper wall here doesn't have a lot, so I'm just adding some extra brick ties just to give us some extra support. Here I put my level across just to make sure that it's flush with the existing wall that's there, because we don't want to come project out from the concrete wall that we have here. Laying the last stone on the top, you always want to fill it with mortar. That way it's easier for you to use your slicker. As you see here, I'm using my slicker now just to compact it, to fill it properly. So you want to put some mortar on top of your stone before you put the last one in. While I'm laying stone over here, I have Christopher on the other side doing his thing. Later on in the video you will see I put it over there. This is his first time laying stone, and he's gonna make a few mistakes, and I leave it in the video so that way he can learn from his mistake. Sanjay was there as well, trying to go over and help him to figure out and show him the mistake that he'd made and help him to solve them. So that's coming up very shortly. So this is Chris. I like to leave, like I said, all the hair. He did a few things here that he's not supposed to be doing, or the way how he laid the stone, it's not the right way. But soon you will see Sanjay come and started to let him know that he's not doing it the right and proper way. It's not level, and he's gonna help him to understand the way how to do it, and you know, they're gonna fix the problem that they have. Right where he's putting this small right now, I wouldn't put a small one right there. I'd put a medium, because you have a jumbo stone right there. So in order to finish it off, you want to put a medium.
Sorry, no. You're good. No, but you want to have lucky ever smell the stone flat on the one. Put it on flat one. So, yeah. I tell you, be careful. Is it? Is it? The ended for one good. You can go run one long medium to this small. I'll put big on top of one. Small one, that one. So small one, that one. The bottom, on the bottom there, you know. See? Take off more and put it back and spread it out. Even it's big, but go down. On the big, on the bottom. No, the big out of corner. Look, that's all. So go down. Use the hammer.
I like that teamwork. It's good that they're working together to try and fix the problem. And I had it in the video so that way they watch the video and they learn from their mistakes.
And if it's small, I'll put a medium on top right there, and then put this up small. Continue till we do joint if you want, you know. Thanks very much. Guys, you finish around here now. This mortar dries up pretty fast, so I'm just doing a little bit of drying right now. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more fun video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. So you see here, we finished this section here, finished the entire front section. We did our pier, come over here, did this section here. We also leave our whipping hole. Then guys, so as you see, we finish over this section here. Finish the entire front section here. Finish over there. Yeah, so we finally finished our stone project here. And we're gonna close the video here. If you get value from it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. We're gonna start a brand new series coming up next. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified and you can come back and watch them later on. Thank you as always, and I'll see you in the next one.